Hi and welcome to Show's classes. Today we are going to be dealing with some very important sums on practical statistics. You can call or WhatsApp at the number given on the screen for any doubts or for more videos on our courses. Let's dive into our first sum. In the following question we have some given data. We need to apply the 3-year moving average to the following data on production of cement. Let's plot the data and the trend values on a same graph to see how the trend looks like. This is how the table will look like. Now I'll explain how I have obtained this. First, the 3-year moving total. 4531 is obtained by adding these three values. Similarly, 5101 is obtained by adding the next three values. Notice we don't take 1992 values in the next one. Similarly, we'll be leaving 1993 for 6226, this one, and 2612. And this trend continues. Lastly, this is how we get the 3-year moving total. Now, upon division by 3, we get the 3-year moving average. This is also known as the trend values. 1513.7, 1700.3, and lastly 3433.0. These are the other trend values that are obtained. Notice I have even mentioned obtained by dividing 3-yearly moving total by 3. Let's see how the graph will look like. This is the data when plotted together with the time series and the trend values. First, we plot the data that is given to us. These are the circles represent out here. With that, we get the time series data. Now, the 3-year moving average total that we had calculated, then divided it by 3 to get the trend values, we plot it along the same graph. This is shown by the dotted values. If your graph looks like even closely to this figure that I have drawn, you are absolutely correct, because the trend values are not fluctuating much. This is because we take a moving average. We have a similar sum. Over here we need to calculate the 4-yearly moving average. The process is exactly the same, only slight variation is there, which I'm going to show you. We have production of iron ore in 1000 tons. The years and the production quantities are given in the table below. Let's see what that moving trend will be. I have put a full screen on this value so that you can see it clearly. We are given year, production, 4-year moving total, 4-year moving average, and one new thing, that is 4-yearly centered moving average, which will be the trend values for even number cases. Here are the values that are given in the production and the year function. Similarly, like 3-year moving total, we have 487 obtained by summation of 4-year totals. Similarly, leaving 110 and taking 121, we have 498. And continuing it further till 624. And now dividing them with respect to 4, obtaining the 4th column. Now I'll explain what the 5th column means, that is 4-yearly centered moving average. Just like we did for the production values, we'll be doing an average of the moving average. On addition and on division by 2, we find 123.125. This is nothing but the average of these two values. Similarly, we'll be containing it for all the values we have. This causes the value to be approximated at a center of these moving averages so that there are minimum chances of error. Now plotting these values, we get a figure which will be similar to the figure that we had obtained earlier. There will be very limited chances of difference between trend values because we have averaged, and although there are 4 years, we have calculated and brought it to a centermost trend value. Let's see what to do next. We have another moving average question. Over here, similarly like the last question, we have quarterly production in 1000 tons. We are given the following data. Let's see how to do this. This is exactly a similar sum, just the data has been represented in a different form. You'll see when I write the table in front of you. Since a year consists of 4 quarters, we have taken 4-year moving average method. That is, 73 is the addition of the first 4 values. Again, the next 73 is the addition of the next 4 sets of values. Lastly, 20, 25, 21, 20 comes to 86. Now, dividing it by 4 just like before, and then finding out the average of these two numbers to find the 4 quarter centered moving average. With this, we come to an end on a video of moving averages. Please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for us for more videos. You can WhatsApp or call us for any doubts of our full videos on our courses.